Hon, this is Denny, and this is the sound of war. It's 11:15 right now, and we're going to say goodnight to Charlie. Well, honey, that's our way of saying goodnight to them and letting them know that we're still out here and what we got if they want to try anything. This goes on every night. We usually about this time, about 7:15, it starts getting dark. All the vehicles on the perimeter, they open up. This time, it was pretty mild, really. You notice only one tank fired. And normally they get every tank out there fires. But we have some friendly forces across the river from us now, so we didn't want to take the chance of hitting some of those. But you should really see this thing, honey. It's something to see. Because when it gets dark like this, all the tracers and flashes that hit around here are something else. Well, let's see. We've been here